Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the IRS. Welcome to my YouTube station. Today, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the IRS wage garnishment notice, the 668W. Thank you for watching my video. These are short. These are about 3 minutes. That's it. I have been doing this for 50 years, actually. I'm a former IRS agent of 10 years. I've worked thousands of cases. I have a whole team of former IRS agents on staff. Many of you have come to me because you've seen me on the national news. Go to my website at 777. I've been on all the major TV stations. Anyway, today I want to talk to you about the IRS wage garnishment levy I have signed. And I said this before on some of my other videos. I changed my signature. I signed so many tax liens, tax levies. God, it's just sickening how many I had to sign. I signed them for the Fort Lauderdale office. Anyway, let me tell you. So after IRS sends you a series of notices out, and you don't respond to the 501, 503, 504, 1058, IRS is going to send out a couple things. They can send out a federal tax lien. They can send out a IRS bank levy, a 668A. But today we're going to talk to you today about the 668W, which is the wage garnishment levy. How does IRS know where to get the information from? Boom. You went ahead and when you filed your tax return, or if you didn't file your tax return, your employer had to report your wages to the Internal Revenue Service. And that's where they got the information. So that levy goes out and boom, your employer gets this long form, and it's not a long form, but it's stacked up with other forms. One goes to you, one goes to the thing, and all of a sudden, boom, your wages are gone. Now what you do? Well, let me tell you, there's a publication 1494 you need to look up because some of the money is exempt, and the employer has to give you some of that money back. It's all based on your W-4, but you can't change your W-4 just to go ahead and get some of the money. It's not a lot of money that you're going to get back, but the whole point is IRS just wanted to give you a wake-up call to go ahead and contact them and resolve your case. I didn't want to send out levies, and neither does IRS. It's all systematic. No one is guarding and watching your case and sending this out. That wage garnishment goes, and your employer has to go ahead and give the IRS that money. Now, many employers will wait a week. That's okay. IRS isn't going to do anything about it. But the very next pay cycle, your check has to go to IRS minus some of the exemptions that IRS gives you in that publication 1494. So remember, all you got to do is contact IRS. You can call us. We usually get the wage garnishment levies within 72 hours. IRS is going to want a financial statement. They're going to want to look at it to see whether they should put you in hardship or put you in a payment agreement, one of the two. That's how this is going to end up. So you can get those bank levies and wage garnishments released in about a week. In about 72 hours. That's all it takes. Those are for skilled people. But remember, act on it. They didn't want to do it. I know it's embarrassing, but that's really between you and your employer. But remember, you can get those released very shortly. Call the number on there. Thank you very much. Anyway, if you want to call us, settle your case, we can do that. Give me a subscription if you want. Thank you very much. I do appreciate those. We need them. Thank you.